waiting. Mechanic when no know it work. Abriba, no be smarty. Abriba, oh 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 oh. Abriba, Abriba, oh 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 oh. Abriba, Abriba, oh 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 oh. Abriba, Abriba, oh 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 oh. Abriba, Abriba, oh 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 oh. Abriba, Abriba. Wetin you not dey do, na you come dey do.
Who's on to take me to Eduardo Madricios Eldorado? I'm going to Madricios Eldorado to Gado. I heard of it here.
Well, my can wear ye.
Hey, don't talk to me like that. I will send you to jail. What is that shit? I will send you to jail. I'll send you to jail.
419. My brother, the way this country come be now, me I know you the understand. The Wakara, me I know you the understand. I know you the know. Do you know the one way with this?
But me, I don't need that man called governor. You see, this is my business. I feel use and feed my wife, my children. I will build plenty house. I will still buy car. I will call people with them in the streets, my community. I will do Sarah for them. They go chop.
I beg you, no day, nothing with they need to hear for your mouth. Now fashion. No, this your cut and nail packing store. Now you they call company. Now this one now your hope.
Why do they talk like that? Where do you be packing name?
Now this one you they call office. No, this one I be your own company. So where you don't know governor, you don't know anything. Now this one.
You want to go like yours? Not be your fault. If you get this kind of one, you don't know what you feed.
This one, this your cut and nail packing store. Now you they call the office.
Yeah, because I allow you to come office. Not be your fault.
What did that one know?
I don't blame you.
If not be say the way the whole thing they do. If this my brother when me I carry go abroad that time, supposing he eye clear like plasma television and he head correct. You know say there be people like Unami are supposed to be follow waka.
Like what? Tell me.
That man where they sell cement, you see they do rice. What in they call that?
Dangote.
Dangote.
If
give me a chance, you go get sense.
That way work of with your stupidity.
What did they worry you?
Talk to me. You come office, you want to go underrate me, Abi?
Because they themselves know say I be big man in the making.
Oh, making your fault. I
don't rehearse big man down. Make you they see what will happen before next year end.
I don't blame you. No job free. Just stand up. Now. Leave my office. Leave my office for me now. If you know say you're not rich, we are move.
What do I tell you now where they make
you get this talent, we are move.
Now show you the quick face.
Forget yourself. Forget yourself. If I just slap you.
Don't do me. I will
stand up.
Make you no face, don't do clothes well. Make you go sew your hands, sew your head.
You know concern you. I said leave here.
Maybe your fault now. I mean we no get work, we come meet you.
Leave my office. This my need to
I beg wait to
just took your hair. Side B. Now people say this one for this.
My brother in Europe, my brother in Asia, my brother in London, I want enter Libya. I no get money, I no get 1 naira. As I be the work, I no learn am at all. I no get oga, na me be the master.
Thank you very much. Wow, nice. Thank you very much. Wow.
Try the party.
Wow. Thank you very much. Wow, it's not easy, you know. What you drink? What are we waiting for? Celebrate. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Who can you stand? Why are you looking at me? Am I in the teleport at here? Wow, Sister Mabel, how was your trip to Germany?
Oh, fine, director. Everything went fine.
I can see.
Thank you very, very much.
Thank you. It's not easy. It's not easy. I love that.
She's a good lady. Can't
Oh,
you see
I can see.
The handwork.
Sister Ruth, you know, last week I heard you went to Australia.
Yes.
Oh, is it Australia or Australia?
Australia.
Australia, wow, that's very good. Hope you delivered the goods well.
Yes.
Hope everything is okay.
Everything was okay.
You delivered the goods well.
Very well.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
you.
How was your trip to London?
It was wow.
Oh, hope they like the goods.
What are you saying? They are asking for more.
That's very
Even
good.
the man in charge there, I do want to carry him along and
Yes,
bring
that's
it back
it.
to you.
That's very nice.
So,
Are you
bring
sure?
up- What are you saying? They are waiting for more. They are waiting for more.
You know, that's
I
nice.
promise I'm coming back in 2 weeks. Buy your power.
Don't worry about that. You know, I
Waiting.
called my supplier. He told me there is nothing about that. No, it's not easy. It's not
I know,
easy.
but you make it now.
No, there is no problem about that. So don't worry.
Okay.
Mama, give me one bottle. You got me later. Quick. Hold my bag. Oh, no. Well, let's enjoy life. Where did you know? How that side now?
You can't go to
I want to go myself. But that my friend, that fatty.
Now your friend will see that. What happened to her? I hope you're okay.
The president, the guy is so far. So far.
You mean it?
The shape like rag.
Help her, man. Don't be your friend.
They tried to help him before. Like the guy said, the way they do self. Not ready for life.
That's the best way to have.
Now the news pattern enjoy, sir.
Now your matter, now we just discuss for years, see so.
My matter?
Yes, now.
Where my matter now? Now my matter now they contain the whole meeting for here now. Which can be that one now? This one I see finish.
Hey,
now I want to discuss my matter for
shut up, You're the fair face. You don't see women sit down, they enjoy yourself. Now you still talk. When men they talk, they chop, now you got to do any here.
Who know they? Now make you the talk to.
Not try yourself. You feel bad, let me bad this you so you feel bad. When men they young, they enjoy yourself. Now you got to talk, they look back. No, come on, sit down there.
Now wow, naughty person not go see. So where big men they reason where they flex. Now this poor man come, they carry problem they come. Who be you sef? Person they reason your matter want to help you. You just come carry your poor man body. Just come cause they talk the way you like.
Carry belle.
Now so you be. Now you poor man. Carry yourself, go they disturb us for here.
Talk to them, my brother.
Because sometimes they talk for your own favor.
Man,
Not fault. See this poor man. Not to way poverty, no fit use person here, see sha. Now me on the talk to.
Now me say me you poor. At the time my friend make he help you. You go here go they talk on that thing.
No. Make you help me. Two of una buy one bottle of beer. Two of una dey share am. Now this one have be the better life one at this one.
Now my money not buy am.
Now your money not dey buy am.
Now any say I dey drink o. Look am.
What I want to tell you, listen. More not to talk. My friend, don't beg me. Make I help you. You see that my company? You see me I give you one machine. As a street boy, make it also. You understand?
Which kind of machine?
Yeah.
That one where you dey use for there be another one.
This the best. Not the if I don't talk my mouth. Don't be free. As you see all those okay, they balance every night. They balance like that. At least you will see something. Not tell me say na so me I don't want hear that one. If anybody wey see for ground, if you no quick come out there, he go come and go say.
No, who know they? You mean say if me no call the balance you now, you no go give me machine there.
You must do that for me. You go pay.
That is, you not like the work where who no they give you so.
Talk to her.
If you not like her, he get one of my papa friend where they work for mortuary. I go tell her make he employ you. Make you go to help and they load their body for inside mortuary because the man get money well because as you get body so you fit do that work I know because money take that work well. Now inside that mortuary, that man get money to buy many houses. Now they get money to build many houses, buy many cars. Even now they get money to marry many wives. You think that's what if you work there, they load their body for mortuary, you go get better money for
with the nature.
You don't see
If you carry 2 human beings without that, it was
yes now. Money take that.
For that body matter, be?
Yes, now.
As he said, so he can't.
Not the money you define.
Any person who that same time triple. If he carry out the weight.
You not see.
If fit now, you go do that one now.
Yes, now.
You pay me for you, Sha. You pay me well. And the reason I see is because you dey smell this me. That be saying a family like this dead body matter day. On a side, Abi.
But they get mad. You see the talk.
What way you go work take get better money? For your life, me just stand your life. Now help, I want help you.
Now help, now be this.
My house don't better. So I can feel for you.
You mean say if I don't fit do tailor work now, Obioma work where this one where this one they try to introduce so make I go carry them money.
You know one work, I don't see and say you
bad drink, you feel bad drink.
I don't see.
Not to wait for man on the team for life.
At all.
You give her sugar, you will say na bad thing give her.
Last. This country where we dey so poverty, you know go better for you. I know go better for you, sir. Maybe you not fault. Anyhow, one I won't do am. I go follow una. Never mention. Give me, I go take go hustle. But inside that one, you know, say here the fly way. Sister, madam, the mama, Kechi the fly for this.
But the poor man they like that thing now.
Which can? What did they do you now?
Now that one day you know so.
Make una buy the food, make person chop.
Since you not just drink my own, don't want to drink my just drink them.
If una no still fit chop, more una still buy now because the thing dey smell enter my nose since.
Since you don't drink more, I drink my. Since you don't fit buy, don't worry. What day? Abriba. What did you
see the way you dey just you dey waka like witch. Abi you be witch?
I dey call you Abriba, you don't answer me now.
See the way you just vanish come. Where you pass come out?
Nah, yeah, follow come and they shout Abriba.
My brain too carry load, bro.
What did happen? You don't come for that level. That means you say 150. Why you don't come now? I dey wait for you now.
Damn, I no just fit come. I no fit come. The money where you talk to pay. How you say make I come dey pay 2005?
That work, money dey well. At least not 3 times. 1, 2, 3, the money to pay now. You know now. So if not small money.
The 2.5 I will pay 3 times a month.
Yes. So I don't want to allow you. You're my friend. Abriba.
You go play like that too.
Why you are my friend? You're my friend now. You know that work, eh? Money dey small. You will get on.
No day. I know you.
Abriba, you know what we have to do for you. You're my friend.
No day. You know say I know you well.
Well, I'm not there. Come now.
For money matter, you know say I know you well.
No, Abriba. This time money get us. So as you take work, you give me. Don't wala.
You never give me the machine. You don't.
Abriba, you will get jam. Come carry on. No problem. Me na tailor.
No wala now. Come here. I just wear shirt. I think that this woman for me join.
I
go meet you there.
No wala.
Yeah, I just wear shirt.
No wala. Abriba.
No day.
Too strong.
I never carry your machine. You don't call me Abriba, call me Abriba.
So, you know what? Don't worry. I will help you. You did my memory, I help you.
Who no day, no day. Who no day, no day. I never get money like
Alright. So this mechanic not touch anything for that this motor. He not touch her. Now me he go know how I be today. He go know me. As I be the work, I know that I'm back. I know get Oka. I'm being the master. Arriba,
Yeah. Give me 3251 spanner there.
3251 spanner?
Yes.
Garcia.
Where the other motor where that mobile bring?
That
motor. We are go lose the 4 tire.
The 4 tire?
May you jack hang.
May I hang? Yeah, you hang the 4 leg ones. Okay, now you put the come for ground.
We got 1951 spanner. Why I say this motor, could you believe say the ignition, it don't contain. This man, if you tell him make he bring money now, I don't know. Come put this thing, they look me.
Where I want put on?
Pull on, put the knot.
Okay, I don't let the 4 leg go up. I don't lose everything.
Man, come. What of the other man don't carry motor? That motor, I don't understand that. I don't feel one more. But if you come, I tell him say I don't want me carry on.
Okay, you know say that motor that day. You know say that motor that day. I tell you say that motor get chromosome 40.
Yes.
You know why you hear me.
See,
they say I don't know work. I don't know work.
What thing will do for me? All these people with the bring motor come here. If you they ask them money, they know they pay. All the motor we all do this company now just lose all, drop all the engine down. So that if they come, they go pay money so that more they fix and back.
Okay, no
wahala. Not pay before we begin the fix.
Go lose. Anyone come now if you say you will not do motor, that's okay. You not drop money, we don't drop the engine, the ESC spoil.
The crankshaft method at the ESC.
One bad your ESC. How much is that ESC now?
It already 750.
Okay, when I buy for you last night 7,800.
You tell them say na 12,000.
12,000.
You work finish, they come they beg you say they go get money, they go buy waiting swear for motor.
You no go there for the highway the rich market. But when they want pay us now, they go come they say take 1,000, 2,000.
Guy, you know all those things now. Your hand is there for this one.
I mean, they tell us more they leave them if they come. May they bring money, so more leave them.
This engine, Mona, we'll drop one.
We'll drop this engine. We are take begin lose that side.
This said you don't get 3 months old.
I cannot be spoiled. This thing spoiled so.
Now on that one, anybody carry motor come here. The Mona tell them say it's spoiled.
It don't spoil now. This thing don't bear now.
This thing will not see repair.
The new one, the one that maybe come make up a new one.
You don't push Shaka money.
They don't get money. They buy the big motor. They call the free state. They don't get money.
Oh God, this one will not be this kind of motor will repair that thing.
If I come to that there, no offer. But this motor.
Waiting again. Everything where I buy put.
They come.
Wait, not be you I send me go buy.
Yeah, we buy carburetor food. Now not be carburetor food for the motor.
Wait.
Do when God go bless you.
Wait.
Now God go bless. Take a plug. Take a plug.
Wait.
Oh God, wait. Oh God,
You wait. We repair this motor that day now. What is?
No, my boy.
You wait.
My boy.
Look at it.
Wait is now my boys. Now my boys. Wait is for again.
If I not be arrested,
Wait is for.
I go tell you to take you now.
Now you do now you feel this that.
I know it.
All my children, my pikin, my wife, my mama, they
Oh yeah, lose the engine.
They go for me.
Lose the engine.
They away from me. They away from me.
I thought I said
They never know. You go there here.
the carburetor. Your carburetor don't get come on so far.
Now new carburetor. Please driver. This
The carburetor get come on so.
It's here.
The fuel pump will fail back. Why the fuel pump no go? Why?
Now the fuel pump where I buy for the shop, na new one. Wait, go bring the carton.
Wait, you buy the
Go bring the carton. The fuel pump come.
Hey, this is my motor. You know the spoil. This is when you put hand. This motor doesn't to spoil. Ah, you go kill me. You go kill me.
Make that one.
A new carton and a new one. The new one they buy for this. The money where you bring,
If you not be do
Okay.
police station.
Come. Oh yeah.
I go tell you to take kilo now.
Lose the
Anyone will not see for us. How you juju?
Give me that loser. I need to see your for this for shop.
loser.
Hey,
You.
hey.
Okay. How much you buy that day?
now 7,800. Now take buy.
You hear money?
Everything don't hear.
You hear money?
This thing don't reach 35,000.
What you take buy? Abi na me one buy.
Now me get motor.
No, you get motor. Because this motor now, the thing they waka where I bring am come.
Now your motor get from.
I be do this motor.
The motor good. Now you carry a car, yeah? The carburetor fair good. Now you carry a car.
Who tells you that carburetor? Now fuel pump now I give you.
Now carburetor spoil now. I say you want buy new one, 36,000. Give my boy money. Rush, go Welu spare pass. May you go buy the carburetor come.
For Chine go on.
You pull up, come and make carry.
The only thing go good for you. Because I not gonna trust you now again. Tell your boy, make you go Ibareke. Ra, Uwelu. May you go bring one come now make all the fish I put. If you work, I give you the money.
Give him. No.
No, but they don't give us like that.
I'm not gonna give me. I'm not gonna give me there.
Take buy expensive motor. If so is spoil for motor, una go see money go give them for spare part. Take buyer. But mechanic wey go fix am, una go want to give am 1,500.
Now because you are a thief. We not trust you now. That cause am. Even though you not be thief,
no be catch.
say you talk the truth where they inside. Your money go complete.
Your
money go complete.
Let me go buy a pump.
Wait the pipe.
Oh, that's why I go for motor. Una tell me wire.
That one one an electrician. I know we not be electrician. Na electrician they do that one. See the back for your motor.
You get no chromosome fault. The chromosome fault, the form affect carburetor. The carburetor don't get chromosome fault. And the chromosome fault go affect the chassis. That's why this motor not work. That's why this motor not work.
You see the pot now.
You change engine again. Come back. This my boy. For this workshop, now he no work pass. After me, now he they follow me. As he tell you na chromosome fault, you know say the engine don't condemn.
You know Muzu. You are the giver money.
Come take the engine number. Wait, I want help you. Check the engine number. May you write am come out for am. Make go buy the engine so that Mona install am now.
May I go buy engine?
Put the engine.
You see the way I take cack so. I cack at the go village. I dey go village.
If I give you one advice, you take.
Yes.
You fit sell this motor. Use the money, take go open like those small store. If na pure water you want to sell or biscuit, it good pass this. Make this motor not go kill you.
Now go baptize you.
The way you take push this motor come here.
Devil go baptize you.
Your temperature don't too high.
Your God go baptize you. Devil go see Jonah.
Where you?
Okay. I know. Me know the tune I want to talk. Una go know me. If I don't feel arrest una, you do go kill una. Everything go lock up for us here. Una not go walk again. Who be that one with enough for them? Who be that? Na Peter?
Yes, sir.
Oh, it not concern you. To say it concern you. I for draw your leg. Come out. Now I for draw your leg come out like this. Now I for go pull your leg come out.
I not join them.
Okay.
I not join them. That's how I do for you.
Now God save you. Now go no for. Where are the front they go? My motor. What you go tell my wife now? Hi. At the go station. Better. I'll go station. Oh, I don't take money what they said though. See the envelope. You see her? Parabita where they here? Parabita. See him. See money where they say envelope where they don't carry him. I do see people that follow the work for the same workshop. Now tip the B. May police come first. Hey, Jesus Christ.
Wetin you not dey do, na you con dey do. Wetin you no learn, na you con dey work you. Today palava, tomorrow wahala, police wahala, soldier palava. You don sew my nigga, you turn am to buluku. You don sew my trouser, you turn am to nika. You don enter gbese, holy gbese. I be mechanic o, I no sabi the job. Abriba, my brother in Europe, my brother in Asia. Abriba, my brother in London, I wan enter Libya. Abriba, I no get money, I no get 1 naira. Abriba, I sabi the work, I no learn am at all. Abriba, I no get oga, na me be the master. Abriba, oh.
Wetin you want so?
Na manica. Mommy. Yes. It don't come oh. It don't come. I dey come everybody. They follow me.
Wetin dey worry you now?
I up here. Now this manica one. Oh man.
Wetin you dey use this sneaker dey do?
Okay, bless say not the fair money oh. I want sew this sneaker. Help me comot this place. Just help me maintain am.
Na acid burn am like this, I been a fire. Then pour you acid.
If I don't dey work, not be your money dey fence. Sew am for me. How much?
I no go carry cloth go sew, make dem come dey ask me say how do you feel now? Wetin do this sneaker like this?
If I no ask me, abeg, do wetin dey do.
Well, na work now dey work.
If I do am. How much you say you have to do just now?
I first tell you just now, say na 200 naira.
If I bet this, I'll give 50. And not be just to cut here, do so and so and me.
This one, be just to cut here. This one, a bullet.
Now cannot be cut. You want cut?
They shoot
bullet still there. Even though na cut, you want cut and beg.
Now me go come show cloth for you. Make them come say if they shoot you. Now me they show your cloth. They come they begin to ask me, say how do you feel?
I'll come and mama for you.
Say wetin happen now. Say na me shoot you. You won't call your mama. Say na me shoot you. If na that one, I will leave her for you. Now me.
Many people they pass this place since I not call them. Plus I also like your stature. I call you now, I call they tell me say go and big bullet. Oga saw this thing. Yes,
no, for your mind now, make yourself look this trouser. Okay, waiting do am next. This one will be good. Now fire body.
That day won't come your ass. Won't cut it. You forget now you shoot us.
Anybody wey come my house must die.
Mommy.
They say the day one I come my house.
I not made this man saw this thing for me. They tell me say 200 now. Whether not be gone, they take shoot this thing. All those kind of matter. I not dey understand the package.
No, madam, I know now. You now, mama, wey born children. If your own pikin wear this kind of cloth reach house, you by yourself no go ask am wetin happen to am. See this one for your mind now. You don't know say this one are gone.
Oga no be gone. Now what you do?
No be gone.
Mommy, I beg. I dey come.
You will rest. You know the Abiba before. Your mate dey inside store. If you want the tailor, go carry store. I beg so this one. I need banana. One for collect am.
Oga, this cloth sew am for me well. I get brazier.
I dey sew am well.
I get brazier. May I go bring am come?
I dey sew brazier underwear. Even if your pants tear self, anything wey tear for woman body, I dey sew all. You hear? Go bring am come. Okay, make you quick come, make we come talk the price, or make I know the kind work where I want face.
Okay, I dey come.
If you get anointing oil inside house, bring come because of the kind thing where I want work for you. Make I tell anoint my hand. And God now go save me for inside the kind work where me I come enter so. I sure say that this woman born, I born this boy. Wait, no, I know say that gone now they shoot this trouser tear like this. Which kind of fire? Which I don't know. God I beg.
Yeah. So aware. So aware. Because I know say you fit one.
I can show everything now.
I don't get money to buy another one.
Bring everything come. If another one still there, go bring come.
So aware they come back.
The one where you wear, you don't check out whether it get any hole. If it's here, bring them. I shall tell you just now. Make you find anointing oil, make I anoint my finger before my hand go catch fire. For this kind of thing where I want to put on food.
Where I put this my pants just now? If you get my waist just now. What where you take my waist? No. Where I go pull and put? My pants there my waist. Where my pants can't go? Where I put these pants no now? God. Jesus. I been inside house I pull on. Boy, they my waist just now. Eh?
Hey, Jehovah. Eh? I shall tell you before poverty no go better for you. Last that this kind of woman now me I want so. Eh? Person wife now go wear this kind of thing. The husband said go still fit they tolerate her for his house. See what married woman go carry this kind of thing they wear. Eh? Hey, see they smell. Woman man they tolerate, sir. Eh? Good afternoon, my brother. Welcome. My brother I tire. See what at least you na man. Where suppose you get wife for us. If your wife wear this kind of thing, you go like her.
Hey! Now you just saw this one.
It's poverty now God could punish your head.
Bros, if you touch this, your life go burn. Now person will get this one.
Because you can burn past this one. Now one woman wait there and I carry her come out.
Let bring some come out. And you touch her with your bare hand.
I never touch that as
you not use hand glove for your bare hand.
Hey, I tell them baby bring another oil for me just now.
Ha, bros.
Why you do that to me like that now? You know the owner.
You better say my wife follow.
How person like you go marry that kind of woman?
Let me imagine so. Hey! Let my wife on that way with this so.
You sure?
Very, very sure.
That woman and your wife?
Hey!
Hey! Hey!
Bros, where your tape?
My tape.
Hold on like this, hold on like this, hold on like this. Like this.
Hi! Jehovah God, save me from this guy.
Hey! Now my wife phone. Now my wife phone.
No, what do you do? Why you go to marry? Why you can't go marry that kind of wife?
Which
responsible man like you?
Now my wife can't be stupid. We go give person like you to show how that way. She not go fit take me to a 10 liter for his house.
Say me I not responsible. I never work at the work.
My brother go very stupid.
Hi.
Hold on. At the top.
Me I hold on like
hold on. Hold on.
No, make me hold on like this.
This thing, don't hold on like that at the top.
Make I hold your wife.
Hold on like that.
Make I hold your wife. This thing
I
like
say hold that thing like that.
Make when I see me see wahala. Make me hold your wife this thing like this. Kai, we can work with this one now. We never negotiate. Your wife never tell me how much she won't pay me for the sewing. Then you still gonna put another work. Make me hold her like this. Make I hold your wife this thing like this. Now which kind of wahala be all this one now? Oh come in. If you come make sure that for ground. Oh. This one where they smell like this thing so. Rather than
God, my pants, my brazier.
Eh?
Pants with me here. No, I don't know where it is.
You're waiting.
Eh? Papa, come. Come on. Where my pants?
Eh?
Pants when I pull. No. He did my waist. I don't see him again. See, I don't trust you.
You don't see your pants?
I don't trust you. Because not the way you know you do. I don't trust you at all.
Hey, you know who we are?
You know they now. Now not serious now. I pull on. I don't trust you. Give me my pants.
Now you get mind. Take go give that Abriba your underwear to sew. Eh? Woman wey dey husband house, now get the mind. Go give that useless Abriba your underwear sew. Eh? That one are out of fornication. Fornication. Make I just warn you now. If you know wetin good for you, just so free go tell her people about me come for there, or I go move her out myself.
See, it goes so amo because you know the buy pen for me, you know the buy brazier for me. So as it I go give her people make it so am. See, give my part too, cause this one won't go give her now.
Anything will make that man touch your pants. You don't feel where you have that. Now, today na war. Wait.
One for waiting. I beg you bring my pants come for me. That one a story. See, no you try that man. No try am. No you try am. So I dey come.
Abriba. Hey. So you get mine. Don't go to
maybe me and you. Which can work at the one? Which can work at the
you get mine.
Which can money at the front?
Go there show my wife for that way. Hey! Look my wife for this one though. Hey! Don't finish. Our Okagbe must hear this one. Our Okagbe should be aware of this. Our Okagbe should be aware of this. Our Okagbe must see this one.
Yes.
Hey! Okagbe must hear this one. For what? For what? For what? For what? Yes. Go this way, come, come. Don't get to the where this one? Jongo Fubu. Hey, Jongo Fubu. Come. Now, they must know what I want to do for her if I don't get house. For what?
God will save me from her hand. Now, well done. Now, get water. I'm going to say what are they? 10 naira.
When I say na Abriba, now they see you so. Abriba.
Oga officer.
Well done, sir. How's the work? How's the family?
Never give me shame.
I didn't call.
Like say, how do you walk down?
The work today.
I want to see this car. If yeah, say I want to arrest you.
No, sir, you know the wall of Una do for this country. Okay. Thank you.
This car, as a general for us for office, two times, 2 days open for
too
my head.
big for your head, I mean.
One swan free for tax head.
Una federal government said, this guy small head, now they can't go carry 2 people inside to keep your name. I mean, that's all that they do for them. No police, or they find something, join something. So it won't really come. Now go find join. Now cap self, and I go one find extra size.
My brother, doctor, anyone you like, someone for me.
How much you want pay?
How much that may I pay 15 naira? This will never collect salary. Never collect salary.
I want to one for you because of God. Maybe say because say you be police. Because if I just one here now, they tell me say come arrest me now, you don't go remember say I help you.
How do you so well?
Make I find where sit down, I go so well. Hey, you want to stand with me? They look me.
I want to look this at me, not spoiler. I want me to swim very well so that me match.
Okagbe must hear this one. Abriba, you there here?
Kai,
you there here?
What we are doing?
Hey!
What are we doing?
University done.
Professor. Oga, Professor.
Waiting.
No, Oga. I don't tell you they beat me since. Because I give my part to everybody so. You know they buy me part, you know they buy me present, nothing where they buy for me. That's my pounds here and I give everybody so. You come on, say what go to Okagbe. Since you be professor, you go school, now make me say I come meet you.
Level 47 news. You give your pound to paper me so.
Yes.
Where but here?
Not done here. Not done for here.
Put on where?
Not done for here. Not done for here.
It's here for there?
Yes.
And you go give am?
Yeah.
La. Don't worry, don't cry again. Don't they buy you pants?
No.
You give everybody so. I trust everybody.
Don't buy me anything.
Now designer wear, not people want give you so. I trust her. What do you want to do? And no retreat, no surrender. What I talk?
No retreat, no surrender.
Now you call that 2,000. Now you want give her. What I talk?
Sure, because that 2,000 again. I don't
thank
know that one.
God.
I don't know that one.
Thank my ancestor. Thank my father. We no use the professor Nyaga. God give me. I can't inherit that. Consider it. Consider. This is equalizer 2,000. Consider. Consider. Sit down. You know they buy you pants.
No, they buy me anything. Nothing. No, they buy me bread.
The one way you get, you can't tear.
It's here and I give everybody my son. He did that side now.
He did with her.
He did with her.
You know where anyone now?
No, I don't wear anything. That's why you're telling me. You don't wear anything.
Oh, baby, yeah. Agege up here. Hey! Merci. Merci.
You want to see her?
But then I threw you talk. Merci.
You want to see her? I won't go inside house now. I won't go inside.
So I threw you talk.
Come now, follow me. I won't go inside. I go show you. Go guys.
Abriba, 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 dey work you. Today palaba, tomorrow wahala, police wahala, soldier palaba. You don sew my nika, you turn am to buluku. You don sew my trouser, you turn am to nika.